Hey guys, welcome to 2021. This is a 30 days challenge. Let's start 2021 with a good fitness challenge. Just 11 minutes. We're going to do 30 seconds on, 15 seconds of rest. Today's workout is going to be core and cardio. All right. So if you're a beginner and you're just starting, do the modified version that I will show during the break, and for the rest, push as much as you can. Let's get right into our workout. If it's the first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment, and do me a favor, invite 1 or 2 people for this challenge. Let's get right into our workout. If we are going to be bringing the knee to the elbow, low impact, and also use the core to bring the leg up, contract a little bit. Beautiful. Next one, let's do each time you cross the leg behind, you go on the other side. Low impact. All right, let's go. Step far behind. We're just warming up. These workouts will be about 15 rounds. This is the second round. Find the balance on the leg that is supporting the weight. Nice. Next one, we're going to do butt kicks. All right. If you're a beginner, just curl the leg as much as you can. Let's go. Back kicks. Nice. Next one, we are going to do high knees. If you're a beginner, put your hands here and bring the knee as high as you can. As long as you're moving, you are doing something. Let's go. High knees. Yes. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, next one, jumping jacks. Modification. You step aside and then you you touch the fingers overhead. Let's go. Wonderful. Beautiful, guys. Now we are going modification. You kick back, you bring the leg, then you clap overhead, you go again. Okay, if you can do the burpee, let's go. burpee. We're not doing the push-up. We'll attack the chest on another day. Rest. Beautiful. So we are 6 minutes into our workout. Now we're going to mountain climbers, or if you're a beginner, just do like this. Okay? As long as you're moving, you're doing something positive. This is our stepping stone into a fit 2021. Yes. Beautiful. Now we are standing up again. We're going to high knees. Yes, high knees, the modified version. All right, let's go. Make sure the knees are coming at least as parallel, same height as your hip bone. Yes, let's go. Yes. Rest. Burpees again, modified version. You've seen it. No push-up and no jumping. Let's go. Beautiful. Now we're going to do our core. We start with scissors, lie flat, then put your hands below your buttocks. Make sure you're looking at the ceiling, not like this. Just look at the ceiling, and toes are also pointing towards the ceiling. Beautiful. Put your legs down, feet down, and here we have about 60 degrees. Now we come up. We're sliding the palms on the thighs, and the chin should always be facing up. Not like this, but like this. Yes. Exhale at the top of the movement. Rest. Beautiful. Next exercise, we bring the legs up, knees above the hip. Now we push here. So I'm applying a push on the opposite leg. This works the obliques and the rectus abdominis, because I'm trying to twist It looks like nothing, but you will sure feel it. Shoulders are raised from the ground. Next one. It's again an exercise with the rotational. So it's wipers 90 degrees. So make sure the palms are facing down, knees are almost touching the ground. We go slowly to the other side. Legs stay bent. Remember, if it's first time on this channel, don't go without subscribing. Hit the subscribe and also leave a comment. Just greet me. Wonderful, guys. Let's go to plank like this, up, down, down. Core tight. Wonderful. One more round. The final round, we're going for mountain climbers. Cardio intense exercise. Let's go. Finish strong. We're almost there. Day 1 is in sight. See you tomorrow on day 2. Day 2, we're going to do the legs. Wonderful. Yes, guys. Thank you for spending your time with me, and see you on day number 2. If it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you did enjoy, give this video a thumbs up, and see you on day number 2.